Terra Classic to go ahead with tax-to-gas implementation, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Terra Classic to go ahead with tax-to-gas implementation. The Terra Luna Classic developer group Genuine Labs has proposed to go ahead with the tax-to-gas implementation. Tax-to-gas will incorporate the tax into the gas and remove the need for separate handling and calculation, revising the burn tax. The proposal aimed to increase the on-chain tax rate to 1.5%, which brings back to the original 1.2% burn tax, with 0.3% to fund the chain by the current on-chain 80/20th% tax split. Tax-to-gas can tackle the current problems related to burn tax, presenting a simple and efficient approach, and will also prevent a tax on Terra Luna Classic using the E2E test. Let's also talk about that the analyst foresees massive Terra Classic price rally. Following a moment of significant decline, Terra Classic has exhibited a resurgence in price, attracting renewed attention from investors and market analysts. Notably, crypto analyst Javon Marks forecasts a potential increase of 63% for Lunc. Marks identifies a recent breakout above a key resistance level as a significant indicator. This resistance, represented by a descending trend line on the Lunc USDT chart, had previously capped price increases since early March. The decisive break above this line suggests a potential shift in market sentiment, with bulls taking control. Building on this observation, Marks establishes a price target of $0.30's $214 for Lunc in the future. This represents a significant jump from the current price of around $0.30's $118, highlighting the analyst's bullish outlook. Marks's optimism extends beyond his initial target. In a separate analysis, he acknowledges the possibility of Lunc surpassing his initial prediction of $0.30's $580. This hints at a potential price range of $0.30's $214 to $0.30's $985, fueled by the recent bullish momentum. While the current outlook for Lunc appears positive, it is crucial to acknowledge the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Unforeseen events or market shifts can significantly impact price movements. Also, several factors could influence Lunc's trajectory in the coming months. These include, first, the overall market conditions. The broader cryptocurrency market's health can significantly impact individual tokens like Lunc. A sustained bull run in the overall market could bolster Lunc's growth, while a bearish trend could lead to a correction. High levels of continued development activity and community participation, particularly through mechanisms such as proposal voting, could fuel investor confidence and propel demand for Lunc. Increased accessibility through listings on major cryptocurrency exchanges and a more favorable regulatory environment could also contribute to Lunc's long-term growth. Javon Marks' analysis and industry outlooks paint a promising picture for Terra Classic. The recent breakout above a key resistance level and the potential for surpassing initial price targets suggest a bullish trend in the making. Let's also talk about the Terra Classic bulls eye 50% gains. Genuine Labs, a Terra Luna Classic development team, just upgraded the chain V301 on June 2nd, 2024. The upgrade was anticipated by the community as Lunc price surged on May 30th and began retracing in a classic buy the rumor, sell the news pattern. The price of Lunc hovered around $0.30's $12 during European business hours on Wednesday, a 2.2% increase in 24 hours and 0.6% in 7 days. CoinGecko data shows Terra Luna Classic price is trending above the 50-day and 200-day simple moving averages, which is bullish for the asset. The bulls have been in an accumulation zone for the past 48 days, forming an ascending triangle. On May 30th, 2024, Lunc price broke upward and soon retested the upper boundary of the ascending triangle. The price of Lunc may now be preparing to bounce off this resistance turn support. If the Terra Luna Classic price rallies higher, it may hit $0.30's $176, a 50% increase from the current price. The journey upwards may encounter resistance around $0.30's $136 and $0.30's $154. In an inverse scenario, the Lunc price may find support around $0.30's $105 and $0.40's $9. The price of Lunc is dependent on the future direction of the blockchain, which is largely driven by the community. As investors watch the markets, the Kwon and Terraform Labs lawsuit could shift the entire game for the Terra Luna Classic price. In a Twitter post on May 28th, Chris Amani, CEO of Terra Money, said there was a lot of uncertainty following the end of the trial. He also noted that he would make a statement at the beginning of this week at the latest. The entire Lunc community is eager to find out what Amani has to say and is convinced it may impact the Lunc ecosystem. In the meantime, as the Terra Luna price prepares to take off, the price of Luna, the descendant of Lunc, took a nasty dump early on June 4th, 2024, after a whale transferred a huge amount of Luna tokens to the Binance exchange. As the community awaits the statement, Lunc's price continues to wiggle upwards, enticing more investors to buy in. The development of the Lunc network, now taken up by Genuine Labs, has increased its pace, a signal that the future of Terra Luna Classic may be bright. And lastly, let's talk about how will Terra Classic reach $1. Luna Classic faces several challenges on its path to potential recovery and reaching $1. One of the primary issues is the hyperinflation of Lunc tokens, which resulted from the collapse of the Terra ecosystem and the subsequent conversion of UST to Luna. The massive supply of Lunc has contributed to its lackluster performance and poses a hurdle to achieving a higher valuation. To tackle this challenge, the Luna Classic community has initiated a burn program aimed at reducing the supply of Lunc tokens. This program involves burning Lunc transaction fees, effectively removing tokens from circulation and increasing scarcity. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has also joined forces with the Luna Classic community to implement a burn mechanism that destroys tokens equivalent to the fees collected from trading Lunc. While the burn program shows promise, its impact on reducing the supply of Lunc tokens has been relatively small thus far. Despite efforts to decrease the circulating supply, there are still trillions of Lunc tokens in circulation. The burn rate needs to be significantly higher to have a measurable impact on the token's hyperinflated supply and potentially drive up the price. Predicting the future price of Luna Classic is a challenging task, given the volatility and uncertainty of the crypto market. However, various predictions have been made regarding the potential price of Luna Classic in the coming years. According to some analysts, the maximum price Lunc could reach is projected to be around 0.30's $304 in 2025 and 0.30's $739 in 2030. These projections are based on current market trends and the assumption that the burn program and community support continue to drive the token's potential recovery. It's important to note that these price predictions are speculative and subject to change based on a wide range of factors, including market conditions, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. The crypto market is highly unpredictable, and investors should exercise caution when making investment decisions. One of the crucial factors that could contribute to the potential recovery of Luna Classic is the resilience and dedication of its community. Despite the challenges and setbacks, the Luna Classic community remains actively engaged and passionate about the coin's future. Community members have been vocal advocates for Luna Classic, promoting its potential and actively participating in initiatives such as the burn program. This level of community support and involvement can have a significant impact on the success of a cryptocurrency. A strong and vibrant community can drive adoption, increase liquidity, and attract new investors to the coin. The future of Luna Classic hinges not only on community support, but also on the pace of protocol development and technological advancements within the Terra ecosystem. The team behind Luna Classic is continuously working on improving the protocol and addressing the challenges that led to the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. In addition to the burn program, the Luna Classic community is exploring other initiatives and upgrades that could enhance the functionality and value proposition of the coin. These developments include proposals related to repegging stablecoins, reducing the Lunc staking non-delegation period, and implementing new features to attract users and developers to the Terra Classic blockchain. So how do you think? Will bulls cash in the upgrade hypes and extend gains? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.